Hi everyone, here's the tutorial on how to use the 3D printer. First off, you want to get whatever's on here off, and you want to leave it in a fairly clean state. So open up the little drawer here, get your tool out, just try and clean whatever's on there off. This stuff here is pretty stuck on, so you don't have to do too good of a job, but then just grab whatever's on there, put it aside. And then you can notice that sometimes the models do have some artifacts that you have to clean up, so you can use the pair of scissors here or anything else. Now to get started, you want to get this SD card reader out, and you can put everything else in. Then the SD card reader, you can see that the SD card is actually here, and the way you get that out is just by pushing it in. Then you get it out, you can pull it. And for the SD card reader, you can see that the slot is right here. This one doesn't have any feedback when you put it in, but try and do it gently, otherwise we'll have to buy a new one. You just push it in like that, and that's good to go. So now you get your USB card reader, you put it into your computer. There's two options, USB-A or USB-C on the other side. Have USB-A, so just going to plug it in. Give me a second here. So plugged it in, it's going to go red, means it's reading, and you'll see that on the computer shortly. So now you want to get the UltiMaker Curator app. So this is free. You want to set it up to use Anycubic Cobra Max, that's the name of the 3D printer. Generic PLA is good. And then really important, when you're setting up your model, make sure that your support type is tree. You'll have to cut a few things away, but you'll make sure that you never have any sagging parts. Sometimes that still happens. You'll have artifacts, depends on how good the model is really. You can play around with these other settings. I haven't had to, maybe it could be useful for you. But now you want to download a model. This website's really good. So cults3d.com. This here is a SoFi model. So you just click download, get the model. I think different types are supported. In this case, it's a STL file. I already downloaded it earlier. So then you just want to open it. So here you see SoFi STL, and open it up. It should take a little bit to load. In this case, it's a small model. So now you can actually zoom into the model and do whatever you want. You can make any changes. You can make it bigger or smaller as well. But after that, you just click on this. Once you're done, you click on the slice button. And if you inserted the SD card correctly, you'll see save to removable drive. Just click on that, and then you'll see your file name. So it's ACMAX SoFi01. And that's all saved. So you're done with the computer part. Let's get the USB out. So yeah, I got it out. Get the SD card out. So I have it there. Put it into the 3D printer the exact same way. So pins facing up. Click it in, you'll get some feedback. And now you want to start the 3D printer. So on the side here, there's an on-off button. Try and turn the printer off when you're done with it, because it's going to stay warm, I believe. But anyway, turn it on. It's going to start up. And now I suggest before you start printing anything, you click on prepare. This step is not always necessary, but sometimes it does mess up if you don't do it. Leveling. You want to click on leveling, and then you want to click on auto leveling, and it'll take about 10 minutes maybe to finish. You don't have to do this every time if you want to take a risk. I often do, and it does work. So, but to get our model started, you click on print, you click on the model that we just had, so G-code. The reason there's two here is because I already had one, but yeah, you click on the model, and then you just click print. And then you can see how long it's going to take, and the total time. Oh, okay, so something went wrong. I think it's because I clicked on that duplicate file, but you can see here you'll have your time. Usually the time works. I don't know why in this case it didn't work. Maybe the estimate didn't propagate to the model. But anyway, once it's done, you can take it off and restart. We'll see how this ends up tomorrow. Have a good one and have fun. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to Conrad, Janica. There'll be some post-it notes here or some instructions, but good luck.